So you're passionate about writing and you want to learn how to make money as a freelance writer? Well, with Textbroker, it's easy to make a little bit of extra money on the side. Yeah, that's right. Textbroker provides fast, affordable and scalable custom content for people around the world. So let's see how. So you want to write for Textbroker, but why? Well, you can make money as an author. There's free registration, there's a weekly payoff, as long as you've earned at least $10 or more. You get direct access to new projects, and you'll get some helpful feedback from the experienced team of editors. And best of all, you can be very flexible on time. Plus they have free writing resources, so you can stay on top of writing trends. So how does Textbroker work? Well, you make money writing articles, and it just takes a few simple steps. First of all, you need to register for a free account and verify your US citizenship. Yeah, that's right, it's only available to US citizens, but there are jobs in multiple languages. Then you submit a writing sample, get your rating, and then complete your author profile. Then you can start writing for cash. There's 3 types of orders. An open order, where you can choose from thousands of projects at your quality level. And Textbroker pays by the word, depending on your quality rating. There's a direct order, where clients send projects directly to your inbox. And then there's a team order, and you can join as many teams as you like. So what does Textbroker pay their freelance writers? Well, it all depends on the type of order and also your quality rating. So if you've got a 2-star quality rating, you'll earn about 0.7 cents per word on an open order. And for a 4-star rating, you'll earn twice that. Now, if you have a 5-star rating, you'll earn 5 cents per word, which is pretty awesome. So what's the average pay of a 4-star author? Well, if you have a quality rating of 4 stars, you get 1.4 cents per word for an open order, 3 to 5 cents per direct order, and 2 to 5 cents per word for a team order. Let's have a look at this handy calculator. Let's just say you could do, say, 2,000 words a day, and your quality is only at 2 stars. Well, that's going to be about $14 per day. But if you increase that to a 4-star quality, that's a $28 day. That's not too bad at all. But if you actually are in the elite category and are a 5-star author, all of a sudden your 2,000 words makes you $100 per day. And $100 per day as a freelance writer, just writing 2,000 words, is pretty awesome. So as I mentioned, when you join Textbroker, you have access to the Textbroker Training University, where they have helpful writing resources for freelance writers. You can get feedback from the editors. You can download case studies and ebooks to provide you with additional knowledge on content creation. Textbroker maintain a blog with interesting articles and tips, and they've got a community on Facebook and Twitter where you can stay connected with other Textbroker freelancers. Plus they have tutorials and videos to help you learn how to get the most out of Textbroker. So even if you're thinking of a career in freelance writing and you want to learn how to make money as a freelance writer, well, I would suggest signing up and just learning from the Textbroker Training University. So that's Textbroker in a nutshell, and I'll do more videos on how to make money as a freelance writer. So please like and subscribe, and until next time, it's bye for now.